Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the heat transfer for this double pane window. It's a 3x3 and that's in meters. The inner surface is 19 degrees, the outer surface is 7 degrees Celsius. There is a gap of 2 centimeters filled with air. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Okay, so this is the inner, this is the outer, and the gap of 2 centimeters. Okay, so list all the given variables, find the unknown. So we're trying to find the heat transfer. In this case, it will be conduction. So we've got 2 glass panes and we've got the air gap in the middle, and that's going to be the medium that goes through. So that's why we're using heat transfer via conduction. Step 3, find the heat transfer formula. So capital Q dot is equal to K multiplied by A multiplied by delta T divided by L. So L is the thickness, which is 2 centimeters. Okay, so we're gonna split delta T into T2 minus T1. So we're gonna make T2 the T inner minus T outer. Why is it not the other way around? So you want the temperature to be positive in this case, or rather you want the heat transfer rate to be positive in this scenario. Okay, so they don't give us K, but they mentioned it's air. So they give us the temperatures for outer and inner. So since this is a made-up question, what you need to do is search it via the internet, or if you got a textbook, you can look up the textbook. So I found it to be 0.026 watts per meter per degree Celsius. Okay, so I can't show you what textbook I found it in, but just know that it exists somewhere in the universe. Okay, so for copyright reasons I can't show you the table, but just take my word for it, I guess. Alternatively, just search it online. Okay, so now that you've found your K, either by internet or table lookup, you can now find the heat transfer rate. So what we're going to do is plug in all the values, and we should get 140.4 watts for your heat transfer rate. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program, click new, then click other way around. Click video option, then click new. Then left click and drag the rectangle This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool, stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.